For 50 years, Biamp has connected people through extraordinary audio-visual experiences. Always at the forefront of innovation, Biamp relentlessly challenges the industry's accepted standards to help our customers achieve their goals. We take pride in empowering true human connection in every space. This focus led us to prioritizing manufacturing within the United States, ensuring the highest quality standards while enabling customers to receive products much faster than from other manufacturers. It also motivates our global sales and support teams to deliver unparalleled customer service and guides our partnerships with a network of trusted integrators. With a diverse portfolio of groundbreaking solutions, Biamp meets the unique needs of venues large and small across an expansive range of applications. Designed for optimized performance within even the most challenging environments, our audiovisual solutions keep the focus on communication, not technology. Biamp conferencing solutions, including Tessera, Parlay, Video, and complete meeting room bundles, are certified for use with the most popular UC platforms and allow both in-person and remote participants to focus on productive collaboration. With our Max Connect Bring Your Own Meeting solution, participants' preferred laptops, tablets, and mobile devices can share their screens with room displays, as well as receive content, enabling interactions that let users get down to business faster. Every space has its own needs, which is why we offer a wide range of loudspeaker solutions to serve all venue types. Designed for exemplary audio reproduction in meeting rooms or retail and hospitality venues, our DeSono lineup delivers stunning audio from every loudspeaker's sleek design. For larger venues like stadiums, auditoriums, and houses of worship, community loudspeakers deliver unmatched clarity and impact for both indoor and outdoor applications. And our commercial line offers exceptional audio in installer-friendly form factors for large-scale deployments. In presentation spaces of all types and sizes, Biamp technologies ensure every seat is the best seat. Whether in an auditorium, lecture hall, gymnasium, or house of worship, Tessera digital signal processing, Volterra amps and amplified loudspeaker controllers, and our CrowdMic's audience engagement solution deliver unparalleled satisfaction in any event. With Evoco room and desk scheduling solutions, Biamp brings the convenience of fast and easy cloud-connected shared space booking capabilities to any office looking to streamline efficiency. Our innovative user-friendly control systems combine, connect, and manage all the equipment in meeting rooms and learning spaces, empowering users to take control of everything from projectors, screens, displays, loudspeakers, and any other equipment, individually or simultaneously. Cambridge QTX sound masking solutions reduce noise distractions, increase speech privacy, and improve workplace comfort, while Vocia, our versatile voice communication system, is engineered for optimal scalability and reliability. And Biamp Workplace brings it all together, providing a new, superior approach to cloud-connected system monitoring, management, and scheduling across a wide and growing range of Biamp technologies. This scalable software platform unifies Biamp solutions, creating a seamlessly integrated ecosystem that empowers users to oversee their Biamp systems from a single dashboard that's accessible anytime, anywhere. As we continue growing to meet our customers' needs, investing in our people and our processes, and evolving to address the challenges of tomorrow, Biamp is guided by a single goal: connecting people through extraordinary audio-visual experiences.